What's up? What's up? So somehow we are trucking through 2021. Not sure how we made it here, but we are. Where are we now? Mid-August. It's about time to trim another bush. It has not been trimmed at all summer. So let's see what we can do. So I've decided to try and trim a shape into the bush. Said bush that we have talked about in a previous video. Thinking a heart, heart-shaped box. I mean bush. So let me analyze my bush. So as you can see, it's looking pretty bushy for a bush. It's looking pretty chonky, tall, misshapen. You know how important it is to keep up with your bush. It's getting a little wild and out of hand. And if you remember what I taught you from the past, you want to make sure you have everything set up and ready to go. You got your trimmer. You got to make sure this baby is ready to rock and roll. I think we're ready to rock and roll. So I'm not really sure what my plan of attack is here, because I feel like I'm going to trim an excessive amount out. I feel like I go here. Oh wow. Over here. Oh, there it goes again. We'll see. I'm just gonna wing it, and if Mom ends up with a small bush, I mean, who's really complaining about a small bush? I think she doesn't believe I'm gonna try and carve a shape into it. We'll see. If it ends up bad, it'll still kind of be funny. Okay, so far it's not really going that great. I kind of put like a gaping hole in the middle of the bush, and it's like naked. So yeah, there's that. Off to a great start. Okay, so I at least even it out. I don't know how many spiders are probably on me now. I just gotta somehow shape it. I don't know how else it's gonna go. Okay, so we might be getting it somewhere. Hey doggy. Oh, the swamp dog is real. Okay, so I'm not really sure my mom will appreciate my artwork. It kind of just got worse. Kind of just like someone like karate chopped the middle. So, can you tell it's a heart? Yikes. Okay, first of all, the sunset. Second of all, I think I didn't mark it too bad. It's kind of awful. Ugh, mosquitoes! Is it a heart? Oh, it looks so bad, guys. Oh my god, my mom's gonna kill me. So I'm just gonna clean up the bush like I never even trimmed it, and we'll see if she even notices when she gets home. I'm hoping it'll be dark by the time she gets home, and then she'll just have to see it when she pulls out for work tomorrow. Alright, so a few days actually went by and my mom never noticed the bush. I don't think I can film this video. I just got dental work done. Look at my fucking face. It's so slanted. Oh. So I told her about it, and she's like, oh, did you really? But then she left for work after I told her, and she's like, it's cute. Like, come on, look at this bush. It's growing little berries now. That's kind of cute. So yeah, since Mama's not mad, I guess I didn't do an awful job after all. Just another how to trim your bush with Cora. Thanks for watching.